Okay, here we go. Good morning, William from Williams, Philippines. It is May 14th, which is Tuesday morning, about 4 o'clock in the a.m. I've did my audit. Boy, looked at a couple of things. I think I'm going to need to take a trip over to up the road, Plainsville. There's a virtual mailbox place up 60 from me, a few miles, and it seems to be the one that I like so far the most of the ones that I've found. I've been doing a little research on that today, and so I'm going to try to go get a mailbox, get it set up and start, getting things going there. Yeah. Another one of those things that needs to get done before I get out of here. I was looking at my passport, and they're wanting me to. I found a page in there that says, "Here, put your information here in pencil so that you can update it as you need to." Yay! What is your permanent address? Yeah. Didn't I answer that on the paper? Don't they have it already? Because they bio-coded this thing to me, or whatever you want to call it. Nano-chipped me, or RFID'd me. Yeah, something like that. Having to deal with all this stuff. But that's okay. I am going to be happy about it. It just requires getting a little bit of things done this way, that way, and the other. My information will get put in there. My Weiss card showed up. I need to get it activated. And when I get home, since it hasn't rained so far tonight, I'm going to actually try to mow the front yard and maybe even get back into the backyard and get it mowed when I go home today. Because, well, there's always something seems to need to be done. And, yeah, you take 5 minutes and it seems like you're 30 minutes behind. It is what it is. But it's okay. Just keep going. And, yeah. But I'm not sure I like the idea of all this information getting out with apps for this and apps for that. They all want something. And they're selling your information here, there, and yonder. And I really do kind of wish we had more of a private society nowadays, but it's gone. Everything. They want some information on you one way or another. It's like working here. The rewards program, they want you to take and put, collect so many people a month per person that works on the front desk. And my boss has grumbled at me a little bit about that, so I've been having to ask people for the email addresses. And, well, I really don't like doing that because I don't like digging into other people's information to give it to somebody else. But it is what it is. And that's part of the job nowadays. Yeah. Here I am, a person who likes to be pretty private. Started a web page or well, I did that a while back, but I gave that up, and now here I am starting a YouTube channel and putting more information out there on the net. even though I like the idea of being more private. But here I am trying to be more public. Lessons, learning, trying to figure things out and not be such a dinosaur. It is what it is. Anyway, yeah, trying to do all these things and maintain some semblance of privacy. But I mean, seriously, I gave that up in a way when I took up my call sign, KG5QNJ. I became a, FCC licensed ham radio station, amateur radio station. So yeah, all my information's out there on that because, well, I'm a radio station. Yeah. And that's something else I need to do. I need to get that renewed with, probably early next year, and get that renewed so that I can carry my radio with me. Yeah. I was looking at that today also. There's so much. I get a lot of things done sitting here. There are some endless loopholes where it can drag you in and, it becomes a rabbit hole and drags you in and you get lost, like looking for, a computer. There's always, this, that, or the other, and which one has the better this, that, and the other at the best cost. And you end up running around and looking, and then you look up and you realize 4 hours has just disappeared. And you're still sitting there trying to figure out which ones are the best. Slowly it whittles down, but yeah. All the fun stuff. Anyway, I've been trying to look into radios, getting all the information there for that, getting it over to the Philippines, getting my call sign took care of for another 10 years. Like I say, that'll probably be sometime the beginning of 2025, but and I've also got to take and do my driver's license. Need to take and get that done. So to get that done and get my motorcycle endorsement, I need to take a motorcycle class. And so to get a motorcycle class, I need to find a, company here that does the class and go take the class sometime in the fall so that I can sometime early next year get my new license with an endorsement. And I'm going to go ahead and get an international driver's license so that I actually have 2 forms of identification besides my passport and my passport card. And I got to get the one with the new address on it, because yay. That's why I need to get the post office box figured out. Can I use it? Is it its actual street address? Or is it one that's going to be a post box? I don't know that yet. I don't know which one I need. Well, I need the street address. But I guess I could just send my driver's license to my aunt's house and have a permanent address there. Because, well, even if it isn't my aunt's house, if she passes away, it'll still be my permanent address because, well, my cousins are still living there and will be that address forever, pretty much. Probably longer than me. I'm pretty sure the female side of my family is probably going to outlive me, especially my cousin Edith. So, yeah. And if I don't put it in that name, I'll probably put it in, that'll be a contact info, and so will my niece, her daughter. So, yeah, I've got a lot of female options there that are well and good. So, yay. So, my aunt's house will become a permanent address, and I'll have some information going there. But most of it will be going to a virtual mailbox, which I'm going to try to get set up and keep going for, all the other fun stuff. I don't know. Yeah. Some days I really do think I need a fourth ring for this 3-ring circus. Because there sure does seem to be a lot of extra stuff needs to be taken care of. But it is what it is. What it was and what it will be. Anyway, yeah. Kind of excited about teeth tomorrow. I don't think I'm going to get to keep them, but I'm going to at least get to see them and get a first fitting, see if there's, something like that. We'll find out for sure tomorrow. And, well, yeah. And checking into the shots thing, I think I'm just going to have to go ahead and eat the price of going to the doctors it used to be to get the one taken care of, because I can get the right shot over there, because the one I have available here with my thing want to take and give me 2 shots here, which means 2 first that I've already have and a third one, or go and get 2 more shots and have 4 total. Don't like that idea. I already got enough holes being poked in me. Don't need to add an extra one just because trying to save $1. Although saving $1 is important at this point. I will have to find out how much it's going to cost me to take and get that done there. I might just go ahead and get it done for free at my place with my insurance. I don't know. Decisions. Part of me just says, I've got the passport. Buy a ticket and run away. My inner child's wanting to get out and play, but I know better than to let the children out. It's not a bright idea. You got to take care and be a responsible, productive member of society kind of thing. Yeah. It is what it is. Anyway, I'm going to try to get this on there and do a few more minutes of walking and, get that going. And I also want to check. I was looking and it looks like there might be another Windows 11 computer that has a better camera that will be able to do what this little Chromebook is doing. It's not as cheap as I would like, but you can't win everything, okay? It is what it is. Anyway, William from Williams, Philippines. I hope y'all are having a wonderful day. I guess the Philippines is coming up on afternoon or evening at this point. Mine says 4:30 coming up. So I think they're at 5:30. I think so. I'm not positive here. Anyway, that or 3:30. I'd have to double check one of my apps to find out. I keep forgetting that. Anyway, William from Williams, Philippines. Y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. I am Fish, and well, Fish is out.